Hi, today I will show you how to connect hosting a domain to Replit. So the first step will be deploying your project in Replit. Open your Replit project, then go to the Deployments tab to deploy your project. Then second step will be linking your hosting a domain in Replit. So in the deployment dashboard, select manually connect from another registrar, then enter your hosting a domain name and continue. Then third step will be getting DNS records from Replit. Replit will provide you with two DNS records, a record and txt record. So you'll have to basically log into your Hostinger's Edge panel, then go to Domains, select a domain and choose DNS Zone Editor. Then add the DNS records like a record and txt record. After you do this, save and propagate. So save the DNS changes, wait for the DNS propagation, often 5 to 10 minutes but can take up to 48 hours. Then verify on Replit. So go back to Replit and click verify or link on your custom domain. After you do this, your Replit ad should now be live at your hosting a domain with SSL. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.